The good news is that COVID-19 vaccines are working very well to prevent illness, hospitalization, and death, even against variants like Delta, which currently is causing most of the COVID-19 infections in the U.S. However, over time, the effectiveness of vaccination wanes a bit, particularly against mild and moderate illness, even while continuing to do a very good job against serious illness that may cause hospitalization and death. But because protection against more mild infections goes down, and some people get what are called breakthrough infections, receiving a booster vaccination is important to build up protection and reduce your risk of infection or spreading infection to others. With the emergence of the Omicron variant and the winter months ahead of us, now is the time to get a booster and to use layered prevention strategies to protect against COVID-19, including proper use of masks, minimizing time in crowded settings and poorly ventilated areas, good hand washing, and staying home when you're sick.